So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver of Gigabyte motherboard. So first you have to come this website. You can see this is www.gigabyte.com. Then this is website. You just see here the search button. You just click and type your motherboard model number B860M Eagle. Then hit enter. Then click to product. Then you can see B860M Eagle. Click on that. Then click to support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. If you are using Windows 10, you can follow that video and install driver in Windows 11 10. VGA driver. So Intel VGA driver. Click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see here. So it is download 9:15. So 9:15. Just single click to open. This is VGA driver, Intel VGA driver. So wait 3 seconds. It will extract first. Okay. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is extracting. So it is totally completed extractions. So now this is installing by the cmd command. Then guys, it's completed. Then restart. Okay, thank you.